Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. First, you need to open the outlook.live.com. There are multiple functions that you can use on Copilot in Microsoft Outlook. But in this method, I'm going to show you one method, which is catching up with a lot of emails. So you just need to click on Catch Up with the Copilot. Then the Copilot will summarize all the important emails that you have received in the past minute, hour, or a day. Also, you can click on Next in order to see the important emails. You can follow the same process for your PC, Android, or iOS device. Also, it will help to summarize very long emails. You just need to click on the related option. Also, it will show you the conversation summary by choosing that option. And then you can set the automatic reply for the emails just by choosing Copilot as well. To do so, you need to choose a custom and it will automatically draft your response email. If you want to edit some details, it will show you an option to do so. Your auto-reply email will be set on your account. So these were a few features from Copilot that you can use on Outlook. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.